We Ecomclips scale up thousands of brands on Amazon. You know what the most common problem we see? Most sellers spend thousands on ads, design, and branding. Yet their sales still don't move. And the reason might shock you. It's not that their titles are bad. Their SEO is well optimized and their listing even rank on the first page. The problem lies in the visuals, the main image, not eye-catching. Images have no info to grab attention. And the A plus have no meaning at all. You might think it's not a great problem. And there's the painful truth. Online shoppers can touch your product. So if your visual don't speak, your sales don't move. Today, I'm breaking down the A plus content mistake draining your revenue, the trap almost every seller falls into, and exactly how to fix them before you cost another dollar. Okay, so this listing is the perfect example of what you should not do. So look, they only add main image and nothing else. And the worst part, you're not getting anything from this image. I mean, no package, no details, and no image props. This is just a bar of soap, and we know that because we read the title. So that's the mistake. They should focus on their main images. Not only this, need to add secondary images with the key details. Also, unique selling points, lifestyle images, before and after photo. There are a lot. Now, another mistake, they did not add brand story. This should be added somewhere in this space, like above the A plus segment. With the brand, they can show brand presence, how they are, the vision. Also, they can cross sell their product as well. So, I mean, there are a lot of cards they can add. If I show you from the backend, you can add 4 types of card in the brand story module. Brand assign and store showcase. This has the cross-selling potential. You can add your other product and a link. Next, brand focus images. Brand logo and a description and brand Q&A. By using this 4, you can add up to 19 cards on your brand story. Anyway, brand story should stay in this space after the A+. But here is another big mistake. No A+ content at all. There are 2 kinds of A+ content, basic and premium. They didn't add any of them. Total disappointment. Anyway, now let's check another one. I am comparing this with the bestseller one. This main image, right? You can see what it is without reading title, description or bullets. Like if I click on the image, now you know that this is a dark spot remover. So that's the key selling point here. And you can see that at a glance. Also, they added the package, and here you can see other info like it has vitamin C, kojic acid, and collagen. And overall, it looks cool, eye-catching, informative, and without breaking Amazon main image guideline. Alright, so now come on to the secondary images. This one is a kind of before and after image. Then comes the classics, our versus others. And honestly, this is the one of the strongest secondary images you can use. People love comparisons because it removes the thinking work. You show them the difference and the brain goes, oh, easy choice. After that, we get the lifestyle images. This is where most sellers either shine or crash. A lifestyle shows isn't just someone holding the product. It shows make the shoppers imagine owning it, using it, benefiting from it. Then they shift to iconography. Quick visual nuggets that highlight key ingredient or features without forcing shopper to read a whole paragraph. This is how you communicate value in 2 seconds flat. And finally, they add videos. This is where the listing levels up. Videos boost engagement, increase time on page, reduce doubts, and answer questions before the shopper even asks them. Now scroll to the brand story section. They added 10 cards, images, and videos in the brand story. And the A+? These are good. They have premium A+ segment. Decoration is good, added carousels as well. Also, they had a super useful and highly effective module Q&A module. But here is a flaw I found, which is that they did not add any comparison chart. This is a super important one. And I suggest you should add comparison chart. Both basic and premium A plus content have comparison chart options, so you might add it. Anyway, another thing, they could add a video module as they are having in premium. You'll find different type of video modules in the premium plus content, like premium full video, video image carousel, and then video with text. Should add videos as well. I think they didn't add it because they already have a video on the brand story and in the image section. These are the good and bad A plus content listing. I hope you understand the difference. Now, at Ecomclips, we build marvelous A plus content, images, and videos for our clients. Take a look at our creation. If you want this type of works, we can help you with that. Email us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you ASAP. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next. Bye bye.